Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be talking about front end slide, since that is the lessons for today. I had three front end slides occurred from on me today. One of them ended up in a low slide. I didn't have the low side on camera. I only have one front end slide on camera, which you can see in my YouTube channel. So let's start with the setting of my bike, since that is basically what causes me to do something wrong to the bike, which ended up in front end slides. And so okay, so my bike, I had my tire pressure set wrong, too low actually. My tire pressure was too low, just 1 or 2 psi, both front and rear, too low. And what that's gonna do to the tire is that it's gonna square off the tire a little bit. So the tire will, when the tire is squared off, it will keep wanting to stand up when you try to lean it. When you lean it, it will try to stand up. And how you compensate for that is that you just, after you lean to a designated lean angle, you have to put a constant pressure on the handlebar so that it doesn't stand back up. And so all 3 times I got into a front end slide, I went into the corner a little faster than usual, which is what you wanted to do. You want, in figure eights practice, you want to go as fast as you can without making a big crazy loop. You want to go in as fast as you can while still holding a good line. So I was going a little faster than usual, than what the asphalt can, not the asphalt, than what I can manage. So I go in a little faster, and then after I go in, I didn't let go the handlebar for half a second for the front tire to track a little bit. So what, and then I just get on the gas. So what that's gonna happen is that after you lean in, and then if you don't let go the handlebar, although the bike is trying to stand itself back up, you still have to let go the handlebar for half a second so that the front tire can track into the corner, instead of, if you're pushing the handlebar constantly, it'll just want to wash out. It can't track, like, because you're shackled, the triple clamp is shackled by your hands. So you have to let go that half second. And so if you didn't let go and then you get on the throttle immediately, which is basically what you want to do. But that's gonna, when you get on the throttle, it's gonna take the load out of the front end, which the front end cannot track do that and respond to the change of load. So what's gonna end up happen is that it has less traction due to the load transfer, and then it cannot track itself, and that's when you have the front end slide.